In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp on your laptop with a PIN using the latest update. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your laptop. If you're using WhatsApp Desktop, open it and let it update automatically. Or download the newest version from the official WhatsApp website. Keeping it updated is important because the PIN and lock options might not appear on older versions. Once WhatsApp is open on your laptop, look toward the top of the window for the settings or menu icon. Depending on your system, this might look like 3 dots, a small gear icon, or a menu button in the top bar. Click that, then look for the settings option and open it. This is where you control your privacy and security features for WhatsApp on your computer. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Privacy or something similar. This is where WhatsApp usually places options related to locking the app, screen privacy, and security. Take a moment to scroll through and locate any option that mentions App Lock, Screen Lock, or Lock with PIN. When you find the lock feature, click to turn it on. WhatsApp will then ask you to create a PIN. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid common combinations like 0,000, 2034, or anything obvious like your birthday. Type your chosen PIN carefully, and then confirm it when prompted. This confirmation step makes sure there are no typos and that you'll be able to unlock WhatsApp later without issues. After you've set your PIN, you may see extra options such as how quickly WhatsApp should lock after you stop using it. For example, it might let you choose to lock immediately after a few minutes or after a longer period of inactivity. Select the timing that fits your routine. If you share your laptop or step away from it often, choosing a shorter lock time is usually safer. Now, close the settings screen and test the lock. You can do this by minimizing WhatsApp, waiting for the time you selected, and then opening it again. You should be prompted to enter your PIN before you can see your chats. Enter the PIN you just created and confirm that everything works smoothly. That's all you need to do to lock WhatsApp on your laptop with a PIN using the latest update.